A federal high court in Lagos has sentenced two convicts, Kingsley Mateke and John Uche, to 2 years imprisonment over adulteration of engine oil. The products were said to have failed to comply with the Standards Organization of Nigeria's Conformity Assessment Program. The men had pleaded guilty to the charge, but their other defendants, Olaide Shitu and Abdulkadir Olayinka, had pleaded not guilty. We have details in this report.
The four men were arrested in 2019 and arraigned in March on a 4-count charge. The prosecution said they adulterated 128 drums and 9.45 liters of engine oil and indulged in its production which did not meet mandatory industrial standards. The offences contravene the provisions of Sections 1, Subsection 8 of the Miscellaneous Offences Act 2004. Following the guilty pleas of the first and third defendants, the prosecutor Joseph Olofindare reviewed the facts of the case before the court with additional evidence. They included a white gallon containing quantities of the adulterated engine oil and a video footage of the adulterated products with the defendants. Justice Oluremi Oguntoyibo queried the absence of the third defendant in the exhibit and convicted the two defendants. Defense counsel Bola Kolawole in her locutors begged the court to show mercy on the convicts as they were first offenders who had been in custody since the date of the arrest. The convicts were then handed a term of 2 years imprisonment to begin from the date of the arrest.
The news for you is to either bring those goods that are certified under the two programs, MANCAP and SUNCAP, which meet the requisite standard. Otherwise, the fate that befell these individuals will also befall those who are indulging in counterfeiting and substandard items.
The court has stated as much that they were convicted based on their plea and not on the substance of the case of the prosecution.
A date for trial of the other defendants is yet to be fixed.
Parties could be charged and sentencing not same. Decision of the court could not be the same even though parties are co-defendants.
So we are confident that it's a matter of time. The other two will also join the one that have been convicted.
The prosecution says the claims that the products were good for public consumption and for optimum engine performance were false, as they failed to comply with the Standard Organization of Nigeria's Conformity Assessment Program.